These are the three main fuel that we will compare for this video: biofuel, fuel cell, and electric.
Hi, my name is Nurul Binti Akram and my nomenclature is 227695. So for this characteristic and properties of biofuel, which is they have two types of fuel, which is ethanol and biodiesel, and there are some maintenance and operation of biofuel, which is the engine performance, exhaust emission system, and engine oil lubrication. While the vehicle design is they have flexible fuel vehicle for biofuel. Next is the properties and characteristics of fuel cells, which is there are three types of fuel cells, which is alkaline fuel cells, direct methanol fuel cells, and reversible fuel cells. Lastly is the electric vehicle, which is there are three types of charging equipment system, which is charging rate at level 1, charging rate at level 2, and charging rate at DC fast charging, which is 100 to 200 miles per 30 minutes. While they have some charging infrastructure such as at the workplace and marketing with IUM. Next, they have which is quiet operation and noise reduction, and they have can achieve a top, which is they don't require fuel and energy generated by the motor.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Fahmi bin Muhammad Saifuddin and my matrix number is 227295. So, I'll be explaining on the chemical process and example. For biofuel, we have ethanol, and combustion of ethanol will produce water and energy. Approximately 1 liter of ethanol produce around 6.5 kilowatt per hour of energy. Next, for hydrogen fuel cell, hydrogen react with oxygen to produce electricity and heat. And approximately 1 kilogram of hydrogen will produce around 33.6 kilowatt per hour of energy. And lastly, for lithium-ion battery, during discharge at anode and cathode, it will produce electron, and the electron will flow around the external circuit, thus providing the external circuit with energy, approximately around 625 watt per hour for 1 liter of lithium-ion batteries.
Reason for energy conversion performance and efficiency. First, for ethanol fuel cell, makes power by oxidizing ethanol uses current fuel systems. Cleaning emissions, no charging needed, very efficient, up to 97%. For a biofuel vehicle, burns renewable fuels like biodiesel, works with diesel engines, but slightly lower performance, produces fewer greenhouse gases. Electric vehicle runs on battery power with little energy loss, smooth, quiet, and a fast acceleration, very efficient, cutting costs and emissions.
Advantages of the vehicle. For biofuel, it reduces the greenhouse gas emission and it ensures the energy security and also open economic opportunities. For fuel cell, it has zero tailpipe emission and high efficiency and also fast refueling. For electric cars, it lowers the fuel cost and reduces the emissions, energy efficiency, and decreases the noise pollution. For disadvantages, biofuel crops uses land that could use for food and has high water usage. For fuel cell, it has high production costs and may face some infrastructure challenges. For electric cars, it has limited driving range and also may face some charging infrastructure and battery disposal challenges. Environmental and sustainability analysis. Biofuel. The production of biofuel may lead to deforestation, biodiversity loss, and emission of carbon. So the sustainability ways would be implement of policies. For fuel cell car, environmental may improve further when hydrogen is sourced from low or zero emission methods. Electric cars, the production of EV batteries is energy intensive, so we need to invest in new battery types that require fewer critical raw materials.
Okay, we move on to the next, which is the process and measure of biofuel. Firstly, biofuel have hazard identification material and properties and operation handling, and not to forget about the project installation and commission, such as the location of facility, and they have some ventilation area. For the fuel cells, which is they have some components of hydrogen system, which is gas containers shall be covered with the airtight housing, and then the hydrogen must be discharged by the extracted containers such as safety valve, and then discharged to the atmosphere. Lastly, for the electric vehicle damage batteries, it will maintain a charge between 30% to 90% to avoid overcharging or draining. And then about the cooling system of the electric vehicle cooling system regulate the temperature of the material and prevent the overheating. And then they have some aerobic acceleration, which is they will use eco mode to reduce the rate of acceleration to conserve power. And then they have some tires checking, which is they can regularly check the tire condition and the track depth.
Next, for the economic analysis, we have decided to take the distance from UPM to Georgetown and back to UPM. The distance in kilometers is around 700 kilometers, and we will also calculate the toll prices. So, we take petrol as comparison. Petrol per kilometer is 0.065 liter per kilometer, and its price is around 2 ringgit and 5 cents per liter. So, the total price for the distance is around 93 ringgit and 28 cents.